So now let's see how we can go ahead and work around with threshold effect inside of Corel Draw. So over here you can see that I have this image right here, and if I want to apply the threshold effect to it, first of all I'm going to go to the effects menu right here. Once you go ahead and do that, you need to go around over here onto transform, and here you can see that threshold is an option. So once you go around on the threshold, then you can actually see the levels right here. You can change around the low levels right here. You can click and drag this out, and you can also go ahead and click and drag out the midtones right here, just like this. So on a certain brightness level, you can see that you can totally cut off the brightness, and then you can make it more contrasty. So you can decrease it and increase this out, and then this is what you have, as you can see. So this is the threshold. You can also go ahead and change around the low level to actually go ahead and change around the blacks to gray right here, or you can also go ahead and change this around threshold right here. So right now the channels are RGB channels, but you can just go for the red channel as well, just like this, and just change around, let's say for example, only a threshold of one particular channel as well, just like this. So this is what you have. So let's just go for RGB channels, and you can also make it till white right here. So now what happens is that as I move this along, you can see that I can actually go around and cut off the bright parts if I want as well. So that's the VZ level right here. That is the black and white. So you can go ahead and simply select out the portion right here and change around the contrast as I go ahead and change around the points just like this as well, so that there's a perfect black and white. So you can really make it black or make it gray and white right here, just like this as well. So this is what you have, and you can see the histogram calculation right now. It's automatic, but you can go ahead and, let's say for example, change around the histogram clipping right here, just like this, by typing this out as well, so that you can actually see the histogram over here, or just leave it to auto. It does not really affect how it actually shows up right here or affects the image. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the threshold effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.